Friends, now in this session of video we are going to discuss very important questions from composition of function. Show that if f is a function a to b and g is a function b to c are 1 then GOF is a function a to c is also 1. Clear? Now what we have a given, f is a function a to b is already 1. Clear? And another function b to c is also 1. So what we have to find? We have to find GOF, a composition of a function from a to c is also 1. Clear? So we can understand it by, we have already know that we have two sets, set A, set B and set C. A, B and C. A has some elements. A and B is connected from a function f, and B to C is connected with a function G. Clear? Okay. So first of all we used the algorithm like that. Let, if we are supposing that two function is in this function f(x) x1 and x2, we know that this A is a domain for function f and B is a codomain. So suppose that we have two elements, so these two elements has a image in B is fx1 and fx2, and these two elements is a domain for G and C is a codomain. So these two elements also image GOFX1 and GOFX2. Clear? So you have remember that if I suppose that these two elements are unique elements, means these two are equal, and finally if I prove that x1 is also equal to x2, so we can prove that GOF is also 1. Clear? What we have to prove? We have to prove that GOF x1 and GOF x2, we have to let that these two elements are equal, and we have to prove that x1 is equal to x2. So these two elements are, first we suppose that their images are also what? The images are equal, and finally if I prove that these elements are not distinct elements, they are unique elements, so we can prove that GOF is also a 1 function. Clear? So let, first of all we have to let that GOF x1 is equal to GOF x2. Clear? So it can be written as GFX1 is equal to GFX2. Clear? Okay. One important thing is that G is 1 is given. So if G is 1, so what we can write? Fx1 is equal to fx2. Clear? And the reason is that G is 1. Clear? Again, fx1 is equal to fx2. So can we write it as x1 is equal to x2? And the reason is f is 1. Clear? So what we have taken, G of fx is equal to G of fx2, and now what we have to prove, x1 is equal to x2. So can we say that G of x is a 1. I hope it is clear to you. We have already discussed this, that we have taken two elements from the final set and proving that, treating that they are not they are equal elements, and finally we prove that x1 is equal to x2. Clear? Now we move to next question, in which we have to prove that what we have given, f a to b is onto, g to g is set of g is a function, b to c is onto, and then we have to find that g o f a to c is also onto. Clear? So again we have same questions for this. We have to let three sets, 1, 2 and 3. In these three sets, that is a, b and this is c. So we are suppose that x is element of a, y is element of b and z is element of c. So what we have to prove, GOF, composite function GOF is a onto function. For that what we have to prove, every element of set C, every element of set C has a at least unique image in set A. Means every element of set C has a pre-image in set A. That we have to prove. So what we have to give in, A, F is onto, G is onto. So we starting from G. Clear? So let solution, let C is any element, sorry, Z is any element belongs to C. So what we have to give in, G is onto. If G is onto means every element of set A must have their pre-image in set B. Clear? So for that we can write it as GY is equal to Z. GY is an element of set B. Clear? So we can write it as G is onto. Clear? Okay. And we are letting that what? Y is belongs to what? B. Similarly, for F, for every element of this Y has a pre-image in set A. Clear? So we can write it as Fx is equal to Y, and what we are letting, let X is belongs to A. For every element of set A there is a pre-image in set. For every element of set B there must be a pre-image in set A. So what we have to find out finally, that we can write it as GOFX is equal to, what we can write it as, GFX. Fx is equal to what? Fx is equal to, we have given Y. So we can let is GY, GOFX, and GY is equal to what we have, Z. So GOFX is equal to what we have, Z. So every element of set C has a pre-image in set A. So FOGOF is onto. Clear? Now to discussing these, we go to a very important conclusion, and that is GOF, that is 1 marks. That very important for 1 marks question or objective type question. If GOX is 1 implies that F is onto. If GOF, remember that GOF and FOG are two different composition. Clear? So if GOF is 1 implies that F is onto. Clear? Similarly, GOF is onto implies that G is onto. Means if it is onto, so it is also onto. If F A to B and G B to C are 1 then the function is also 1. And if A to B and B to C are onto, then function is also onto. Clear? So this is enough for today. Thank you.